Baby, you're offended when I get defensive. Go and put the blame on me. Putting up defenses, crying is expensive. I can take the weight for free, and it's killing me to fight it out. 'Cause baby, you're the only one I can feel this for, and it's misery I'm wearing down. 'Cause baby, there ain't no way that I could love you. You've been antique.
Hi guys! Hi Baba! It's Baba's birthday today!
Yes, grabe. Ang hirap maging 29 years old.
Ilan taon ka na, babe?
29.
29 plus 11.
No.
So, it's Baba's 40th birthday. Diba life begins at 40?
Life begins at 30 na. Hirap pag 30 ah.
So, I'm all dolled up for today. So, actually guys, this dress was supposed to be one of the dresses na pinagpipilian ko for the wedding afterward. But I didn't get to wear it. So, I think fitting naman siya ngayon because we're going to a fine dining restaurant. So, we're taking you guys to Smith and Wollensky in BGC. So, it's gonna be our first time dining there and I'm very excited. And kakapanood lang din namin ng The Devil Wears Prada. So, yun yung parang steakhouse na favorite doon ni Miranda Priestley.
My wallet is very excited also.
His wallet is very excited though because he's gonna treat me. So, actually, sunod-sunod pala yung celebration namin for his birthday this week. So, buti na lang, naka-leave na siya. So, today, his actual birthday. So, we're gonna celebrate it there by having a birthday lunch. And then tomorrow, we're gonna celebrate with a family dinner. So, pumunta tayo ng Soler sa Fresh. So, dito lang naman sa Soler North. So, malapit lang sa amin. So, it's gonna be the whole family. And then on Saturday, it's gonna be celebration with friends. So, ang dami mo, babe, it's your birth week.
Yeah, birth week. Gastos week.
Yes. Our reservation is at 1 p.m. So currently it's, let's see, what time is it? It's 11:53. This is the text message they sent us today. So, gentle reminder, reservation today at 1 p.m. for 2 guests. Yung dress code kasi nila guys, smart casual attire is respectfully required. Bawal lang slippers, cotton shorts, tank tops for both ladies and gentlemen. So that's why medyo ano tayo ngayon. Medyo Imelda Marcos ang
Imelda. Si Imelda yung kasama ko.
Si Imelda ako ngayon. Look at my big earrings. I'll see you guys there. The Finance Center building. Babe, I'm just wondering, do you want to do yung course na
Pwede
kesa
rin.
yung this one? This one kasi 450 grams. But it depends on you.
Ano mo recommend mo? Like,
First
for
time here,
example,
sir? Ma'am?
Yeah.
Yung isa, yung ito na lang 8-8 babe. Yung dry aged na bone in New York. Na
New York.
Yeah.
Sige, yun na lang. Tapos medium rare.
For the salad,
So this is my personal favorite. Masarap po siya.
Burrata.
I promise, yes.
O yun lang babe. Sige. Tapos,
We'll have-
yung pasta nyo.
May pasta, pero may pasta kami. Sides lang po siya. Ang truffle mac and cheese and lobster mac and cheese.
Saan yun?
so which one do you prefer? The truffle or the lobster?
Truffle.
The truffle.
Sige, yun na lang.
The truffle na lang.
Ano mo recommend mo sa rice?
Bone marrow dirty rice.
Do you want wine?
Saan yung mga wine?
May wines by the glass and wines by the bottle din po. I highly recommend our very own brand. We have our very own wine po, Smith and Wollensky Merida from Napa Valley. Bordeaux blend po siya. It's like Bordeaux blend. Being a great variety is Cabernet Sauvignon.
Sige, dalawa na.
Two,
Oh, yeah.
2 glasses.
2 glasses.
Yes.
Alright.
And that would be it.
Alright. For your wines po, do you want me to serve now or sa steak po?
Sa steak na lang.
Steak po.
Yeah.
Alright. So for your starters po, you'll be starting with sea scallops followed by your salad, burrata. And for your mains, 1 New York strip dry aged medium rare. And for your sides, 1 truffle mac and cheese and 1 bone marrow dirty.
Yes.
it's your first time here, this is from me po.
Oh.
This is spice crab meat with guacamole and
Thank
crusty.
you. Wow. Guacamole. So they have complimentary bread. Cheers.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Baba. Is it good?
Corn hush rice from Baby Corn.
Okay, thank you. Pati tayo.
First thing they served us is yung Hokkaido scallops, and it was really, really good. They said it's from Japan. And the next thing we ordered is the burrata salad. So far, yung service dito maganda. And very nice yung mga waiter nila. Ang ganda ng ambience ng place.
So far, very good service. Every meal, change plate.
Look, guys. Then they have this cute little greeting card.
Burrata. Wow.
Thank you.
Would you like it to slice it for you?
Sure.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Salt and mustard po for your steak.
Yes. Before they serve the steak, they're gonna replace your plate with a hot plate. They offered us some mustard and some salt if we wanted to pair it with the steak.
Right for the neighbors. Or the lunch of your steak. Well, please enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Sarap.
Good.
So perfect.
We're gonna try it with some mustard and salt.
Pabali 2021. Sasarap yan sir pag na-pair ng wine.
Very good with the one.
Like, I'm comparing it to the steak we had in Wolfgang. So last year for his birthday, we actually went to Wolfgang. Oh, so we actually ordered porterhouse, but this one is dry aged ribeye. I feel like I'm leaning towards this one more. Yung sa Wolfgang kasi parang more beefy since it's porterhouse, but this one it's like just the right amount of fat and like the beefy flavor. So it's really, really good. And again, super perfect nung pagkaluto nila ng steak, kaya masarap. Kahit gaano pa kamahal yung steak nyo, if they didn't cook it right, it's not gonna taste good. So, eto masarap talaga. It's good?
Gusto ko umiyak mo sa steak sa kanya.
Sarap.
Actually, lahat masarap. So, steak, grabe. Kahit walang sauce.
Diba? Even if you don't dip it in the sauce. The bone marrow rice that we ordered, when they mixed it, tasted really, really rich and flavorful. So, masarap talaga siya i-partner din sa steak. And also the truffle mac and cheese, guys. I didn't expect it to be that good kasi, you know, parang side lang naman siya. But when I first tasted it, lasang-lasa mo talaga yung truffle niya. Comparing it to, because we always have the Lorenzo's truffle pasta in Mamu. This is like, kind of like an elevated version. Sarap niya talaga. I would say, guys, sulit naman yung bayan dito kasi everything lived up to its expectations. And I get it why it's priced a certain way kasi you really pay for the service and also the quality of the food that you're eating. So I would say it's really worth it, especially if you're celebrating it for a special occasion. Guess the bill. Did you?
Alam ko 18 to 20.
May parang 18.
Oh. 18
Oh.
to 20 nga ako.
Mas mahal siya compared sa Wolfgang, but
Saka mas marami na tayo
hindi, mas marami tayong order. And mas masarap yung food.
Oh.
Thank you po. So, yung from Wolfgang.
Ah,
Talaga?
okay. In-order
Sa
namin
Newport
din yung
kami
ano.
nagpunta.
Asan?
Di ba minimum
Yes.
of 1 kilo yung
Yes po.
Yeah, yung porterhouse nila. So it's 18,000.
Kung cake na yan ah.
Yeah, sir. First, Sean, happy birthday po.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you for celebrating with us.
Happy birthday!
And we have here a fresh whipped.
Taplong cake, hindi siya ganun katamis, no? It's not too sweet. Yay! Saan na kami ng church to say thank you for the blessings and for another year of Baba's life.
Smooth. Sakto smooth na ako.
Dito na naman siya sa favorite store niya. Hi, Babs.
43.
Masikip na.
Dapat may para all the way dito. Nag-chat na naman.
Sino?
Gustan, sayang.
Ano sabi? Maglakas ka, ganun. Thank you for the bershka.
Yeah, sure. Love you.
Love you.
Okay na to, miss.
Kabili na naman po siya. Salamat ka, birthday mo. Pwede ka mag-shopping today. Grocery kami para sa Saturday. Steak.
Yari doon sa anak ni Manami.
Si Ichi. Oo, ang bilis na.
Ain't too late for things to fall into place. Let's take it slow on my pace. I heard you, are you on your way? I can't escape.
Only lobster. With steak, salad. More lobster. Hi, Mom. Hi, guys. Hi, Mommy, Daddy.
Hello.
Hi, Ate Mamon. Ano lasa ng lobster? Yung sarap.
Yung ano yung...
Alin po? Ay, yung sipet? Hi, Baba. Happy birthday. Ano ang kinuha mo?
Squid, tempura, and their famous ano.
Lobster. Steak. Round 2. Steak again. Ratatouille. Beef stew pala to. Then broccoli, some rice.
Lakso.
Ha?
Laksa.
Wow, may lobster.
Mami, lobster pa. Simutin niyo yung lobster doon. Sayang ang bayan.
Naman tayo sa main event.
Ito. Tapos ka na dito. Lalagyan ko na.
Ayan ang birthday boy.
Hindi, isa lang. Pakit na ganyan. Sulit naman yung lobster. Kahit pa paano.
Ito yun. Bakit? Archie. Guys, pakilala ko kayo kay Archie. Ito si Archie.
Ito si Archie.
Archie.
Next, baked lobster.
Sarap?
Sarap ng mozzarella.
Gusto mo na bubuksan mo. Kasi
Ako.
yun ang pinakamahal. Ito yung pinakamahal.
Gift giving segment.
Ano to? Adapter? Ganda! Shit! Napakayaman ito! So, syempre may adapter, so may sinasaksak. Diba? So, ano to?
Tanggalin mo muna
Shit, parang box ng relo. Oh my God.
Rolex nito.
Ito ba yung IWC na gusto mo?
Ang ganda ng Rolex.
Siyempre.
Siyempre.
Shit.
Feeling ko winder. Oh my God.
Baka nga winder to, no di?
Oh,
Oo nga, thank you, may nalagyan na ako ng minute. Bakit isa lang? Bibili pa ako isa. Thank you. 1.8. Ang ganda nito. Dito wala ako lang lalagay-lagay sa box.
yan ang best gift ni Baba ngayon.
Ayun, sa
galing.
Tapos yan,
Paano siya iwa-wine gift?
hindi, i-on mo sa likod pag may adapter na.
Okay.
Ngayon,
Ikot na siya.
Sa bahay namin.
knock. Pag umikot, 2 minutes iikot.
Apo.
Clockwise. Kasi hinto na 6 minutes. Iikot naman ulit. Counterclockwise.
Buti na lang di.
Tapos kapag ka
Tapos,
nagkamali ka ng
6 minutes
saksak,
ulit. Ganun
Ganun
ulit.
ito.
may hammer na gaganon.
Sunod kayo relo. Lagay ako nalagay na sa nasisira na yung box niya, sayang yung
Tapos nagsasalita yung crush.
Ganda. Shit. Thank
Saka
you.
yung isa na pagka binuksan mo hihinto.
Oo.
Yan.
Hindi.
Wow.
Ganda. Thank you, D. Love you.
Naku, ang saya niyan. Excited din ako work.
Binuksan mo
Kita,
ngayon.
kita.
Siya ko
Mababawi na. Dati yung full tank namin, tita, 3.9 lang. Ngayon, umabot na ng 7.
Sa Tuesday daw, 140, ano na.
Baba mo
Hello!
na namin, iganan ko muna dyan.
Okay, so dito na po kami ulit. Manggagambala na kami ng bahay ng best friend na. Dito kami magsa-set up ng party ni Baba. Hi guys! Hi! Okay. Happy birthday to me! Happy! Happy birthday to me! Ah, di ba? Bakit niyo ako ginaganyan? Ako pa! Ikaw ano? Ako nga yung may birthday eh.
Yan, dalawa to.
Ayun na, nagsiset up na sila. Ay, labot nung ano nila. Ano ng tela? Tela.
Baliktad, coach.
Kaya rin natin kasi magiging sa cellphone eh.
Best!
Babe, kitang-kita pala yung puwet mo. Dito. Yung puwet mo pa, ano.
I'm ready to die. Maybe it's something in your eyes I can't see through. Maybe it's the magic in the wine I'm feeling blue. Maybe it's the fact that every time I fall.
Lagay mo yung mga soft drinks dyan, Bill.
Sige, babe, hirap na hirap kami mag-logo ha. Sana alam mo.
You're welcome, Miss.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, Miss.
Thank you.
Walang ano to eh, no? Wow.
Ilang piraso ba?
Ganun ba yun? Ganit lang.
Maliit lang po yun.
Mga alima siguro.
Hindi man din lang isang
Montage tayo ngayon.
You're the only one that does that thing. I just wanna know if you're
Birthday girl. Lagay mo yung birthday.
only have a couple minutes already. Here's love.
Dumating na ang ating mga first guest of the night. Hi guys! Hi Buko! Beshi! Wow, ang ganda ng dress! Dapat ganyan ang mag-host, di ba? Kanina kasabi niya magpapambahay lang daw siya.
talaga ako naka-t-shirt.
Thank you, Chef! Thank you, Chef! Sarap! Happy birthday! Kain ka lang ng kain, babe!
Meron siyang wagyu, yung iba hindi wagyu. So, hanapin na lang yung wagyu.
Wagi yan, wagi. Wow, nakapag-shower ng birthday boy.
Sige lang. Inom akong beer. Okay.
Pinaghirapan namin.
Okay, isa pa.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Hi, girls!
Pero mami kayo, pero mami.
Ulit lang nun pa. Tagal ba kinakwento ka?
Kaya naman ang
Hi! Hi, brother! Mwah. Hi! Hi, 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 hi.
Hey, DJ natin, okay? Ganit na! Mga dito, dahil kung wala ka, wala akong pay patron. Okay? Ayuda ako ngayon. Pinabalik na namin yung isang ID post dahil kinukuha na natin yung isang patron. Dahil kinukuha natin dyan yung isang patron.
Thank you, Ran!
Nandito rin ang ating mga si... At kung wala po ang ating... Hindi po tayo mabubuhay lahat. Vice Mayor! Vice Mayor! Ayuda ka! Vice Mayor! Patay lang ang payan, pero... Pero Vice Mayor siya. Okay, Vice Mayor. Ang ating mga tagawa ng babae, si Dino Kembao. Thank you, Dino Kembao. Ang pinakamalakas sa bansa, nandito rin, si Jay. Ang ating DJ na ating at ang isang nanditong babae ngayon, nandito si Dimpo, sa letrang D. Ang ating tagasaway ng music, nandito din. Tagasaway ng music, hinahan niya, mga kapitbahay. Very cheap. Si Ana na taga-patrol, matulog ko na tayo sa petrol. Baby, mataas ka pa, mababa ko na. Matulog ko na tayo sa
Guys! So saan na naman ang punta? Magtatagaytay naman po kami ngayon. After the party last night. Hi, Nikki! What are you eating? Hi, family! Hi, Alonso! Hi! Oh, you look so pretty! Wow!
Maliligo pa ako.
Bilisan mo na, sis! Yan yung mga chikiting.
Nagsama-sama din.
Sama-sama na ulit sila. Sis, tama na yung kakapikalbol mo.
Ang saya kasi.
Sabi ni Richard, mag-varsity ka na daw.
Oo nga, mag-varsity na nga ako.
Tayo! Hi, guys! Hi!
Nakakatawa yung video natin kay Koichi. Lahat tayo tulog.
Dito na kami sa Tagaytay, guys. Kakagising lang.
Tabiyahe ko.
Good morning, Nikki! Good morning!
You see the volcano. Taal.
Ayan, naka-windows down na kami. Hi, guys! Good.
Nagising ako na sa Tagaytay na. Hi! Hi, Sam! Hi, Sam! Nandayo! Sa taas tayo. Wow, ganda ng view.
Alam ko ng mga chikiting.
Oh. Nag-enjoy sila. Na po sila?
Wow!
Come here. No.
Siyempre, bulat.
Nakabahan naman ako dito. Diyos ko.
Sab!
Stop, don't touch
so
any.
scared of heights.
Oh, don't go there if you're scared. Come here.
Bulalo, sisig, tawilis.
Kasya ba sa atin isang bulalo? Kasya na yun.
Kaso na yung marami na yung wala.
5 to 7.
Okay.
Sige. Bulalo, isa. Tapos ano yung tawilis?
Tawili.
Yes. Oh my God, sabi.
Tapos crispy patay.
May gulay pa.
May sisig ba?
Ano, gusto niyo pinakbit?
Oo, pinakbit ko.
Ah, cute!
Nagagalit na kasi nila. Ah, sabi niya.
Si Sam Cano, princess ng mga
Andito ako nagbabantay ang camera.
Bulalo.
Sige na,
OMG.
Magkahiwalay po yung pinap.
Muna naman po kami.
Oh my God, ang sarap!
Meron pinakbit dyan. Okay na ba?
Sarap ng sabaw.
Taas na talaga yung paanak-anak ko.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, AC!
Thank you! Emily, tomorrow's birthday!
Pang 1 week mo ng birthday, ha? Tama na.
Laki na nagagastos natin sa birthday ito.
Nikki.
Wala sa start. Ito lang muna gawa yung lagi silang birthday.
Hot white chocolate latte.
Ito ba yung house nila? Yes! It's our house.
Oh, sige to easy. Hi, guys! Hi, Sam! Hi, Nikki! Hi, AC!
Hindi, pero that's hindi. Tingnan mo ako na sa edit.
Mamaya, nandiyan yung sa labas. Ito pa rin ang birthday boy. Ang ilang birthday niya na, Diyos ko. Ito ang aming manager. Ayun yung manager. Di mo ba napansin, pamilya sila ng polo?
Tingnan mo, polo.
Lahat sila. Oo, lahat sila. Oo nga, mas kayo.
Ako din!
Cheers! Happy birthday, John!
Happy birthday!
Vlog, ang madalang itong makita, puro alak yung Chili-Cheers coffee na yan. Kaya vlog, hit like and subscribe. It's a winner. It's a winner. Say thank you to Tita Nami.
Don't worry.
Let's go to the car.
Bella.
Sa car muna daw. Babalik ko daw.
Let's go to the car.
Mag-bike na nga lang kayo.
Where's AC?
Massage!
Mama, ako rin.
Nandayo! Ah! Ito na ba yung pinaka nakakatakot sa lahat?
Hindi, ito lang. Ito
Okay.
sa itong lado ah. Hindi, yung biking yata.
Sigurad. Uy, ayoko nun. Okay. Sure na ba tayo, guys?
Parang hindi pa ako sure.
Picture na tayo. Sure naman tayo, no? Parang kayo nasa ibang bansa dyan. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda, ang ganda. Gusto nyo yan? Hi, guys. Alam mo dito ngayon sa Japan?
Sa Japan, guys.
Ready na ba number 1? Player number 1,
Not
player
sure.
number 2, ano
Pamborakay lang pala.
player number 3, ito game na game talaga. How about you, Ichi? Game?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi! Hi, guys! Hi! Hands up! Hands up! Ta-ta-ta-ta. Baka pangit ako sa video. Hi, guys! Are you enjoying, Nico?
Yeah!
Yeah!
massage at ano?
Sexy massage daw. Kamusta?
Parang lipak pa daw.
Ayan, dito naman po kami napadpad. Ang dami na po namin napuntahang restaurant ngayong araw na to. Hi guys!
Pero kami yung favorite talaga namin.